I'm Wes Coulson from Coulson Elder Law, proudly serving clients throughout the St. Louis metropolitan area and beyond. I would like to welcome you to our Elder Law and Estate Planning Minute. We do these to help educate people, give them some little tips, and especially to let them know the questions that they need to ask, things that they've maybe not thought of. Our thought on that is that we can help you best if you realize the things that you need help and that we can help you with. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks. Powers of attorney, both for property and health care, can either be what's called immediate or springing. What do those mean? Well, immediate is pretty easy to understand. It means that it takes effect as soon as you've signed it. A springing power of attorney doesn't take effect until some later event. Most often that later event is if your doctor declares that you are no longer competent to make decisions. Instinct in a lot of cases would suggest, well, let's make it springing because I don't want people taking over for me until I get to that point. I actually think that that's in fact a bad idea, and I greatly prefer immediate powers of attorney. Here's why. A springing power of attorney sort of assumes that as you go along, you're completely okay, and then one day, boom, you're no longer competent at all to make and carry out decisions. I think that's an unusual situation. That's somebody having a stroke or a massive heart attack or getting hit by a bus or things like that. 99 times out of 100, it's a gradual decline. And if you have an immediate power of attorney, you have the opportunity for this transition from, let's just take the checking account. Here, I start out writing my own checks to pay my own bills. Then maybe I want you to come over if you're my agent, and I want you to sit down with me, make sure I'm paying the right things, and then I'll write the checks. And then maybe you're doing everything except me signing the checks, and then finally it's, we better just have you take over the whole process. That seems to be much more natural. Another reason I prefer immediate is that giving someone else power of attorney, authority to act on your behalf, doesn't take away your own authority to act on your own behalf. So you can continue to do things even though you've given power of attorney. And if the person that you've given power of attorney to winds up to be somebody who you decide you can't trust, you can always change the power of attorney. So that's why I like immediate powers of attorney better. Thanks.